Switching screens on a dual monitor setup is easy and can make you work better and faster. Here's a quick guide on how to do it, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. For Windows, right-click on your desktop and choose Display Settings. You'll see two screens labeled 1 and 2. Pick the one you want as your main screen. Scroll to Multiple Displays and check Make this my main display. To rearrange screens, just drag them in the settings to match their real-life setup. Hit Apply to save your changes. For Mac users, go to the Apple menu, choose System Preferences, then Displays, and finally, Arrangement. Drag the white menu bar to your preferred main screen. Move the screen icons around if you need to match how they're set up physically. Close the window to apply. Choose your primary display wisely, because that's where new stuff will pop up. You might want to use shortcuts or special software for extra control, like moving windows between screens easily. If you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your gaming fellows.